Good morning, students. English reader, class 3rd, lesson 11. Pinocchio becomes a real boy. Summary. This is the story of a wooden puppet Pinocchio. He is famous for having a long nose that becomes longer whenever he tells a lie. He always dreams of becoming a real boy. So in this lesson we will learn about the character Pinocchio. His father Geppetto had become very weak and old. He had always hated hard work, but now he worked hard to take care of his father. So Pinocchio, he was very lazy and he don't want to work, but now he has to work because his father is very weak and old. He started saving money to buy clothes for himself. One day on the way, he met the snail and was sad to learn that the kind fairy was very ill. So one day he was going to the market to buy some clothes for himself, and on the way he met with the snail, and from the snail he comes to know that the kind fairy was very ill. So he gave 2 shillings for the kind fairy to the snail. Later his father asked about his new suit and he replied that he did not like any at the shop. So he gave his 2 shillings to the snail so that he can uh, give it to the kind fairy. And later when his father asked about his new clothes, so he replied that he did not like any clothes at any shop. That evening he worked till midnight and made 16 baskets instead of 8 baskets. So in normal days he used to make 8 baskets, but that night he made 16 baskets. As he slept he had a dream that good fairy forgive his all past mistakes. So in his dream he dreamed that the good fairy forgive his all the past mistakes whatever he has done. Children who love their parents and help them when they are sick, they get praise and love. So in his dream, the fairy is telling him that children who love their parents and help them in whatever work or helping them in their happy and sad moments, they are getting praise and love from their parents. Be good in future and you will be happy. The dream ended and Pinocchio woke up. He was surprised to see that he was no longer a puppet but a normal boy just like others. So when he woke up from his dream, in real he comes to know that he was surprised, he was shocked that he was no longer a puppet but back to a normal boy. The fairy returned Pinocchio's 2 shillings and thanked him for his good heart. He saw his father looking cheerful and healthy. So the fairy returns his 2 shillings that Pinocchio gave to the snail, and the fairy thanked him that whatever he has done to her. His father was also looking very healthy and cheerful. Word meaning: awaited, waited for somebody, cheerful, happy and showing it by the way one behaves. Cottage, a small house. Famous, known to many people. Glad, happy, pleased. Kindness, the quality of being kind. Puppet, a model of a person or an animal that can be made to move by pulling strings. Answer the questions. First, why was Pinocchio sorry? Answer: Pinocchio was sorry for all the trouble and pain he had given to his father Geppetto. Second, who do you think the kind fairy was? Answer: the blue-haired fairy was a good and kind fairy. Third, what did Pinocchio hate earlier? Answer: Pinocchio hated hard work earlier. Fourth, whom did Pinocchio meet on his way to the market? Answer: Pinocchio met the snail on his way to the market. Fifth, what did Pinocchio dream of? Answer. Pinocchio saw good fairy who smiled and said that she will forgive all his past mistakes. Children who love their parents and help them when they are sick and get praise and love. 6. What surprise awaited Pinocchio? Answer. He was no longer a puppet but a normal boy just like the others. 7. What did Pinocchio say to himself? Answer. He said to himself that how bad he was when he was a puppet, how happy he is to become a real boy. 8. Why did Pinocchio work hard? Answer. He worked hard to take care of his father. Who said to whom? First. In return for your kindness, I forgive all your mistakes. Answer. The good fairy said these words to Pinocchio in his dream. Second. Oh, the poor fairy. If I had a lot of money, I have given it to her. Answer. Pinocchio said these words to the snail. Third. Where is your new suit? Answer. Geppetto said these words to Pinocchio. Fill in the blanks with don't and doesn't. First, she dash want to drink milk. Doesn't. Second, they dash want to play with the boys. Don't. Third, he dash like his school. Doesn't. Fourth, birds dash swim, they fly. Don't. Fill in the blanks. First, Dash was truly sorry. Pinocchio. Second, his father who had become very dash and dash, weak and old. Third, Pinocchio had always hated dash, hard work. Fourth, I would have given it to her, but I have only dash, 2 shillings. Fifth, he made dash baskets instead of dash baskets. 16. 8. 6. Be good in dash and you will be dash. Future happy. Write the ing form of these verbs. Come, coming, skip, skipping, run, running, hit, hitting, hop, hopping, dance, dancing, take, taking, sit, sitting, bite, biting. So likewise complete these verbs in your copy as well as in your book. Thank you.